Greetings again, my little chickadees. Today we are going to be making some strawberry cheesecake. So disregarding my previous recipes, this is actually a bit complicated, so I'm going to divide this recipe into two different parts to focus on. So first off, our first part will be the topping and the filling. Starting off with the filling, we're going to need 32 ounces of cream cheese, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 4 large eggs. And meanwhile we're doing that, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So first, I've already mixed in the cream cheese and sugar, and once you mix that in a good bit, you are going to add in your eggs, lemon juice, and vanilla extract, and make sure to mix that in real well. If you're like me and you don't have a mixer, you warn this will take some arm strength. So I put the filling into its graham cracker pie crust. It is in the oven for 45 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, getting started on the topping for it, we need 2 cups of sour cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I've already added in all my ingredients. I will mix this up really well, and then I'll just evenly layer it onto the top of the filling. Once it's done baking, bake it for another 5 minutes, and then our main part of the cheesecake is done, and we can start on the strawberry glaze. I've mixed up the cornstarch and the water. Now we can just add in this jug here. We need to mix this until it thickens enough, and we're going to do this on medium heat. Then once it's all thickened up, we can just add in our lemon juice, and then we can set our glaze aside.